Huawei is going to introduce its new flagship phone, Mate 70 RS. The new smartphone has powerful specifications. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Huawei Mate 70 RS will be paired with a gigantic RAM capacity of 16 GB. The internal storage capacity of the phone is 512 GB and 1 TB. That is enough to store a huge amount of data for future use. On the rear of the smartphone, there is a triple camera setup. The smartphone got a chipset of Kiran, which is the most powerful chipset. The chipset and the RAM capacity of the phone so that it will enable the user to execute things with this smartphone within a second. And to give more power to this phone, has an octa-core processor to make the phone ultra fast. The phone will be fueled with a non-removable 5000 mAh battery that will carry support for fast charging. The smartphone has a LTP OLED touchscreen display. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.82 inches and it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 1260 by 2720 pixels. The smartphone is using Huawei Kunlun glass for protection purposes. The Huawei Mate 70 RS will be under display optical fingerprint reader to secure the data on the smartphone. That's all for now and thanks for watching.